So here's how to connect Blogger to Adsense. First of all, open up your browser and then search and go over to blogger.com. After that, click on Sign In on the top right corner. After logging into your account, you will get to see a lot of options on the left panel. From here, what you need to do is click on Earnings. So once you're here, you will get to see an option to create AdSense account. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to this Google AdSense page. So on this page, make sure all the information is correct. You can set yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. Then your payment country or territory. Just scroll through and select your desired one. After that, scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions and click on Start Using AdSense. So after it loads up, you're ready to go. Your Blogger account is now connected to AdSense.